Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. As of 2019, the average age of first time mothers is 27. Most women in the US have their first child in their 20s, with 20% waiting until after 35. To lose 1 pound of fat, you must run for over 3 hours, run for 27 minutes a day, lose a pound a week. In Ghana, it is a big tradition to make non conventional coffins such as animal or airplane shaped ones. A man made satellite in orbit is set to return to Earth in 8.4 million years, carrying maps of today's Earth for future inhabitants. In 2023, over $35 billion was spent on Mother's Day. On average, shoppers plan to spend $274 on gifts for their mothers. Thermonator, a $10,000 robot dog created by Throwflame, comes equipped with a flamethrower that shoots flame up to 30 feet and is legal in 48 states. Axe body spray once shut down a school because the 6th grade boys produced such an excessive stench that 8 kids had to be hospitalized. First 4 countries to have television: England, the US, the USSR, and Brazil. Hurricane Andrew 1992, the Miami Zoo put 30 flamingos in a bathroom to save them from the storm. One drop of the big sea snake venom can kill 3 adult men. Being angry even for a few minutes can increase risk of heart attack and stroke. A new study says Mars rovers should search for rocks that look like fettuccine. A male baboon can kill a leopard. The right way to pronounce Huawei is: birds have feathers, wings, lay eggs, and are warm-blooded. 30 years ago, you had around 17 minutes to escape a house fire. Today, you would have about 3 to 4 minutes because newer homes and furniture burn quickly. The Republic of San Marino is the world's oldest country. The tiny country that is completely landlocked by Italy was founded on September 3rd in the year 301 BCE. Golfers use an estimated $800 million worth of golf balls annually. Meet Swati Saraf from Calcutta, who makes 270 varieties of rasgullas. Chinese is the most commonly spoken language in the world. If you include all forms of the Chinese language, there are about 1.3 billion native speakers. Some people worry about being the smartest person in the room, but this is wrong way to look at it. Instead, you should focus on being the person who learns the most from being in the room. World record for highest flame blown by a fire breather. US fire breather Antonio blew a 25.5-foot flame in Las Vegas warehouse. A group of US women who call themselves the 10-month mamas experience pregnancies extending beyond the usual 40 weeks, often reaching 42 weeks or more, and advocate for allowing natural labor on set without immediate induction. Steve Flake, an adopted man from Michigan, searched for his birth mother, Christine Talady, for 4 years before discovering they both worked at the same Lowe's store. Researchers warn that AI deadbots, which simulate conversations with deceased loved ones, could cause digital hauntings by sending unsolicited messages from the dead if not properly regulated. World's smallest helicopter, the Gen H4, made by Gen Corporation in Japan, weighs only 154.32 lbs and has a rotor length of 13 feet. The vehicle has one seat, landing gear, and power unit. When you turn down the car music to find an address, it's because your brain needs to reduce auditory distractions to focus better on visual tasks. It's like telling your senses. Uluru or Ayers Rock is a massive sandstone monolith in the heart of the Northern Territory's arid red center. The nearest large town is Alice Springs, 450 kilometers away. Uluru is sacred to indigenous Australians and is thought to have started forming around 550 million years ago. Quaker parrot Willie alerted his owner Megan Howard when the little girl she was babysitting began to choke. Howard was in the bathroom when the parrot repeatedly yelled, "Mama, baby," flapping his wings. Wet dogs can shake themselves about 70% dry in a fraction of a second. Their skin is so loose that it swings almost 90 degrees in either direction. When they shake, this helps their bodies conserve energy by not having to stay warm while waiting to dry off. 8. Richest CA in India. T.N. Manoharan.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sound
Piyush Goyal.
breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
Naina Lal Kidwai.
Beam lights paint the skies, all because of you.
Nirmal Jain.
Paint the skies, only you can make me move.
Motilal Oswal.
Can make me move. Can make me move.
Radhe Shyam Agarwal.
Can make me move. Can make me.
Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. Kumar Mangalam Birla.
So alive, make it last forever.
Thanks for watching.